So when I was a baby and when I was born, when I was just laying in a little crib, all like my parents would just speak Korean to me, my grandparents would speak Korean to me, my aunts and uncles would talk Korean to me, and I was surrounded by the Korean language. What happened was I was baptized in a Korean church in a Korean community. So then, as a baby, I had Korean embedded in my brain. But then, as I got to 3 years old, I didn't really talk, so they sent me to an English school. And then a few years later, they switched me back to Korean school to learn how to read and write. But then a few years later, I had problems with speaking English. And then a few years later, and so on. So you kind of get the point. So because I switched back from Korean and English back and forth, I had that language barrier. And an example of this is when I came to campus, I met this Korean girl, actually from Korea. And like my friend explained my situation, and her response was, if a Korean asks you if you know Korean, just say no. So I didn't really know what to say to that. So my situation right now, I can understand like